So sometimes what you want to be able to do is extract the information out of the models to be used in a workflow or in a different work stream. So we built the super schedule to be able to do just that. I can browse the element data and the element parameters, put it into a table, and then export it as an Excel file. So let's say, here's an example. I might build out a door schedule here that I'm interested. Maybe I'm in procurement. Here's all the element IDs of those doors. And then across the top right, the column names are all the parameters across the whole project. So there's a ton in here. But we want to build out something specific for my doors. So I'm going to go and start to browse or search the parameters for parameters that I'm interested in. Now, I might grab family and type information here. Being a door schedule, I'm going to go and grab some things like parameters like width. And you can see what's happening is I am adding to this table and building out all the information that I need to be able to export this, this door schedule. So there might be a whole bunch of parameters in here that I'm interested in. I can even search for kind of like wildcard, where I can start typing and then grow and grab rating, fire rating. Maybe there's acoustic rating information. I can even add room information because we've got some spatial detection. I can go and add the room information or the level information, and it's going to all add into this schedule that I've built here. So now once I've got the schedule kind of in a position or in a way that I like it, I can go and export that data, and it's going to download it all as an Excel file. So this has just been super quick. It's been able to save me a ton of time, and I can now go and add this to my procurement list. I can go and curate the information, make sure that everything's coming through just as we need it to.